Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so it can record activity, unlock and sign into the primary account. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Screen Time on iPhone or Digital Wellbeing on Android. Make sure to grant usage access and any permission prompts. Without them, the phone can't log app activity. If a companion app is required, install it now. This step sets the foundation. Get permissions confirmed before you move to viewing detailed activity. Now you'll view and filter the recorded activity so it's meaningful to you. Open the activity or usage section and select a time frame, today, last 7 days, or a custom range. Then filter by app, screen time, notifications, or battery use to isolate what matters. Tap an app or timeline entry to see session lengths, start and end times, and detailed timestamps. Make sure to compare active screen time versus background usage. That distinction explains most surprises. Finish by exporting or saving the view for reference, and then set limits or alerts if you want ongoing monitoring. You can enable parental controls or account alerts to automate oversight and schedule weekly reports. If activity appears incomplete, troubleshoot. First recheck and re-enable usage permissions, then restart the phone, and finally update the operating system. If that fails, reinstall the companion app. These steps resolve most logging gaps. Make sure to confirm changes after each action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.